Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mikhail Hassan and I know that it has been really a long time since I uploaded any video. So today I decided that I would come up with one of the important issues in our society and continue with the aims and objectives of our channel, that is doing away with the stereotypes or other social issues to make it a better place for everyone. So today I would like to bring here a very important issue once again, which a student always face at least once in his lifetime, and that is that the qualifications or certifications that he or she undertakes or in which he qualifies. For example, if somebody is doing any particular course on computers, or say for example if anyone is taking up post graduation diploma in management, which is PGDM, which is equivalent to MBA, but later on gets into a job in which that qualification was not required. So many a times he has been questioned or she has been questioned about the relevance of that particular course in his or her job. So I would like to state here and give a message to all the parents, uncles, and aunties, and everyone who is always very curious about the relevance of different courses and different certifications done by any person in his or her present job. So I would like to state here that let us take the example to understand this issue, and it is a very serious issue because sometimes when students are undergoing a course on his own because of his interest also, but later on if he lands in a different job due to his interest change or something else, or maybe his calling changed at that point of time. So let us not keep on bothering about it, that what was the use of your course, why did you do that course if you were not going to work in that field or something like that. Let us take this example. We all know that the toughest exam in India is the UPSC examination for the post of IAS. So we often come across students who are doctors, engineers, even bankers, or who are mostly postgraduates and also have a lot of experience. They come and sit for this exam, and we all know that the requirement for this exam is the means the basic qualification which is required is only graduation. So we can't deny the fact that the courses which they did or the profession which they were undergoing will be of no use in their coming life, because that has enriched their life in many ways, and we must not keep on bothering their lives by asking the relevance of the courses and the certifications which they have undertaken. So we have to understand that people who are studying and undergoing different training programs or anything related to their development of their skill or knowledge or their educational qualifications, we must not think that that has to have some relevance with the job which he or she will take up in the future, because the job which one does, I feel that it is calling from within, which might or might not have any relevance with the courses which he or she has done, because many of us are doing a different kind of job than the stream in which we were in the beginning. So let us understand one more thing, that we don't go to college or schools or do any kind of course or something only to get a job. We all of us, we want to enrich our personality, and we want to enrich our knowledge as well. So let us keep that in mind next time we meet anyone who is doing a job or who is under a job in a job which is having very no relevance or a very less connection with his or her earlier streams of studies or qualification. So I hope that my message is clear. It is a very trivial issue, but I feel that we often come across people who keep on asking us regarding the relevance of the courses which we have done and the jobs which we are doing. So please don't take that into your mind and develop a kind of attitude that your life is yours and other people might not have that kind of perspective. So just we can ignore most people's views, and we don't have to get bogged down by such views in our lives. And if it is coming from people who are very important to us, then let us try to make an effort to make them understand the reality of undergoing an MBA or a PGDM or any other certifications which is based on your interest. So I would like to end here by a simple message that please believe in yourself and start working for your life without thinking what people will be telling you or what others are thinking of you, because you are the sole creator of your life, and ultimately your near and dear ones will be happy if you are happy and if you are successful. And I believe that each and every one of us are successful in one or the other ways. So let us not feel down, feel low today, and believe that things are certainly going to be better than today in the coming days. So I would like to end this video here and would surely come up very soon again with another short video of mine. Thank you so much. Take care.